Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kiara. So today we are doing this. It's a real deep smoky. It's just even fall. It's so pretty and sultry. Okay, and that's what we're doing today. We're giving that. It was just the type of mood I was in. Right, only used like 2 palettes, 3 colors. Real simple. Okay, so this will be really cute, like for a day night. Yeah, that's what this is for. Okay, it's just real sultry. Okay, and I think it looks so cute on everybody's eyes, right? But if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Keep watching so you can see how I got this look. All right, and share. Oh yeah, and if y'all want to see me do like any specific looks, you got some suggestions, drop them down in the comment section. Okay, and I'll make sure to get to that for y'all. And I will see you in my next one. Okay. So today we're going to do the underpainting method, and that's when you like separate your products. And instead of doing like your foundation and then putting your concealer on top and your bronzer on top, all of that's going to be separate. Okay, so it be giving like a not a no makeup look, makeup look, but more like skin. Okay, I like this when you don't want to put a whole lot of product on. That's what this gives. All right, so we're going to start off with the primer, and I'm going to use the NYX Plump Right Back primer. Like I told you, I'm not buying no more primer until I'm done with this, my elf, and my Milk Hydro Grip. It's like I just don't be using them, but I do. Maybe I just don't use a lot. I don't know. All right. And this one is good for oily and dry skin, combination skin. Okay, now that I got that all rubbed in, I'm going to go in with my bronzer. This is the NYX Duo Stick. Well, it's called a Wonder Stick, actually. So, it's contour on one side and highlighter on the other. I never used the highlighter side. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that today and see how I like it, because I never use it. They do have these in different shades. I got the shade medium tan. Alright, so I'm going to blend this out first. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer and blush. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm doing my concealer next just because I wanted to let it dry. So I'm going to just do my blush, and then when I get done blending it out, the concealer will be ready to blend out. Okay. This is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. Y'all already know what this is because I use it every single video. It's a holy grail. Alright, you definitely need to try this. And I'm going to mix it in with the, this is the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. Yeah. I just got these probably, I think it's been about a year ago. It's cute, but you definitely need to mix it in with like a full coverage concealer, because wearing it by itself is very, it's sheer. Okay, like you're still gonna be able to see like your dark circles and all that, but if you're going for like you just need something to cover up some blemishes, then yeah, it's good. But just alone, no. So you definitely have to mix that in with something a little bit more full coverage. Okay. And I always do like a medium shade concealer that's a little close to my skin, and then a lighter one. I really don't like that whole brightening under eye. I don't like that. That's not cute. It's not cute on me. I put it that way. Okay, because I definitely like my makeup and my products, I want it all to blend in with each other. Okay, like you can tell I have makeup on, but I want it to look like my skin. For blush, I'm going to use this Vanessa Myricks Cheek and Lip Palette. And I'm going to use this mauve shade right here at the top. I may mix something else in with it. I'm not sure, but I probably won't. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so after you do your bronzer and blush and concealer, then you can go in with your foundation and then just put it on the rest of the areas that you didn't put any product on. And I'm going to use the Fenty Ease Drop Blur Stick in the shade 15. I'm still thinking about going to get 16, but I may just mix what I have with this. I saw a girl do it on TikTok the other day, and it looked really good, so I may just do that instead of just going by a whole nother stick. Because it's actually not a lot in here. Like, I was using it yesterday and I had rolled it up. Like, it's not that much in here. It stops about right here. What happened to the rest of the container? Like, there's so much more room in here. Why is it only just that little bit? Again, this is why I only use drugstore products. Okay, get my money's worth. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back in. Whatever I got left on my bronzer brush, I'm gonna just go back over it with a concealer, without a concealer, with the foundation, because it kind of covered it up a little bit, which is fine, but I'm just go back over it just a little bit. Same for my jawline. And this technique is also really good for beginners. Like, this is something I would have done when I first started doing makeup and I really didn't know what I was doing. This would have been perfect. And when I do blend out my under eye concealer, I do take it like up to my nose contour some, because I'm not a big fan of nose contour. Like, I do it a little bit, but like for sculpting out my entire nose and making it look like something different, I don't like it. It's honestly unnecessary and you don't need it, okay? Because be for real, why are we creating a whole different nose shape? Just why? Okay, and then for my forehead, I'm just go back over it a little bit with my bronzer brush. And whatever is left on my foundation brush, I'm gonna do the same. Okay, just to give it a little bit more color and blend everything. Since we don't have foundation all the way on, you still want everything to be seamless, okay? And again, go back in with my blush, blend it into the concealer. Alright, gonna use the One Size powder. I'm in shade Sweet Honey. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Fenty Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I got the shade 430. These are actually really good. Loved it when I first got it, and then I kind of put it down and forgot about it, so I'm trying to pick it back up now. For my face, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Age Perfect Creamy Powder Foundation. And even though I did set my forehead, with powder, I still go back over it with an all over face brush, with all over setting powder. Just again, I like everything to be blended. I mean, like co-adhesive, okay? I think that's the word I'm looking for. But yeah, I need to start bring it all in, okay? I don't like harsh lines at all. Makeup, I don't want to see none of it. And then whatever is left, I just kind of press it under my eye. Okay, so I know I said in my last video that I really don't wear blush, but powder blush anyway during the winter. I just like the more bronzy look during the winter. I don't know, but I feel like putting blush on today. So we're going to use the Scratch by Cat. This is her Feline blush palettes. Yeah, you see this right? She has every color blush that you could possibly think of in here, and it's very pigmented. So I want to use these two colors at the end right here. This light pink and that like sun-kissed yellow. Yeah, we'll mix those two together. Yeah, it just gives you like a really cute sun-kissed color with a little bit of pink in it. Okay, so I said I wanted to use this NYX Wonder Stick with the highlighter on the side. I'm gonna put it on my nose first and see if I like it. I think I might have tried it before when I first got it. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of stick highlighters. I don't know. I don't like that. I feel like it leaves a mark. Like it leaves a mark on your face. That's just what it gives me. And I also don't like applying my makeup with my fingers. This is real strange to me. To give me that glowy look that I want, I'm going to use the Scratch by Cat Glow Enhancer Illuminator. This is in the shade Cleopatra. There we go. That's a whole lot better. That's what I need right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I think I want to do like a bronzy orange look or something like that. I don't think I've done something like this before on my channel. I really don't know, but if I have, oh well, we just gonna run it back and upgrade it. Okay. But for palettes, I am going to use these mini palettes. So one is from LA Girl. This is their Keep It Playful palette. And then this next, what's this? Ultimate Edit palette, just like a brown shadow color thing. That's all. So we're going to use these two and do something, okay? I didn't use any eyeshadow primer. So the concealer that I did for my brows, I just brought that down and I let it dry up for about 3 minutes or so. And that's what we're using as a base, okay? But if you want to, you can use a shadow primer, or you can just, you know, set your lid with setting powder. Either will work, whatever's, you know, whatever you like. Okay. And I'm bringing this shadow all the way over this time instead of just kind of keeping it out on the outer corner like I did my last look. So we're gonna bring this all the way over. Okay, so it's a burgundy looking shade in this palette, and I'm gonna use that, pop that in the crease. Alright, and then I'm just take a little bit of some brown, like a deep brown shade, and just deepen the crease up just a little bit. Okay, so instead of using that LA Girl palette, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette, and it's like a greenish taupe color. I don't know, but this you'll see when I put it on my lid. Okay, that's good. And then I'm taking the burgundy that I have put in my crease, and I'm gonna smoke out my corner. Okay, so I went ahead and added a black eyeliner for my waterline. I had wanted to do white to begin with, but I don't know, something in my mind changed. Like, you know what, I do want to make this a smoky look. I wasn't trying to, but we already here now, so this is what we doing. I'm gonna go ahead and take that transition color I used and see what you're gonna do here under the burgundy. Okay, so I'll take the J. LaRue Pigment and White Gold, and I think I'm gonna put that like right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do something a little different today. I'm taking one of the Morphe Mega Matte Lipsticks. This is in the shade Commit, I think. Yeah. And then we're gonna take the Color Rain lipstick in the shade Socialite. This is our satin lipsticks. So for lip gloss, I'm using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is in the shade Ice. It should be. Yeah.